Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Spotlight to make your calculation or even conversion fast. So first of all, you need to go to Spotlight tab in MacBook. Basically, you can just press Command space to generate out Spotlight, and after that you can search for any calculation or even conversion using Spotlight fast. So basically, for example, I want to know what is 3 times 4. So basically you can just type 3 times 4. It will generate out the answer immediately. And also you also can convert into other unit. For example, I want to convert meters to feet. Basically it will help you generate meter to feet fast by converting it in Spotlight. Yeah, basically that's all how you can use Spotlight additional function to make your MacBook more faster in progressing. That's all. Thank you.